The 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable piece of engineering that caters to both urban commuters and adventure seekers alike. This new entrant into the e-bike market boasts an impressive combination of power, portability, and convenience, making it a strong contender for anyone seeking an efficient and enjoyable means of transportation. At its core, the bike is equipped with a potent 1000W motor, delivering robust performance that ensures a top speed exceeding 30 miles per hour. This level of power is especially appealing for riders who frequently navigate hilly terrains or wish to cover considerable distances quickly. The acceleration is surprisingly smooth, allowing the bike to reach its maximum speed with minimal effort from the rider. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend adventure, the bike's power readily meets a variety of needs. One of the standout features is the 48V 20.8AH large removable battery. This battery not only supports the impressive power output but also contributes significantly to the bike's range. With a full charge, riders can expect to travel up to 80 miles on a single charge, depending on factors such as terrain, rider weight, and riding mode. This makes it an excellent choice for longer commutes or recreational rides without the constant worry of running out of battery. The battery can be easily removed, allowing for convenient charging indoors or in different locations, which is a massive plus for urban users. The folding aspect of this electric bike cannot be overlooked. The folding mechanism is well designed, allowing the bike to be compacted into a more manageable size for storage or transport. With dimensions that fit comfortably in the trunk of a car or under a desk, this e-bike is perfect for city dwellers with limited storage space. The folding process is quick and straightforward, making it easy to switch from riding mode to transport mode within seconds. The bike's frame is constructed from lightweight aluminum, enhancing its portability without compromising durability. Weighing in at just under 60 pounds, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and manageability. The design feels robust, and the bike can withstand the rigors of daily use, whether you're navigating through city streets or tackling rough trails. Riding comfort is another area where this electric bike excels. The bike features an adjustable seat and a front fork suspension system that absorbs bumps and rough patches, ensuring a smoother ride. Handlebars are ergonomically designed, providing a comfortable grip even on longer journeys. The bike is suitable for a wide range of riders, with adjustable components that can be tailored to fit various heights and preferences. Braking performance is essential for any bike, especially one capable of reaching high speeds. The 1000W folding electric bike is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. The braking system instills confidence while riding, allowing for quick stops when necessary. This feature is especially critical for urban environments, where sudden stops may be required due to traffic or pedestrians. The bike also comes with a smart LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, battery life, distance traveled, and riding mode. This feature is especially useful for monitoring your ride and planning your trips accordingly. The bike offers multiple riding modes, including pure electric, pedal assist, and manual cycling, allowing for flexibility based on the rider's preference or the nature of the journey. Another significant aspect worth mentioning is the bike's safety features. It comes equipped with front and rear LED lights, ensuring visibility during night rides. Reflective strips and a horn add to the overall safety profile, making it a well-considered option for those who may venture out after dark. In terms of assembly, most components come pre-assembled, making it easy for users to set up the bike upon arrival. A basic assembly guide is provided, making the process relatively straightforward for those who may not be mechanically inclined. In conclusion, the 1000W folding electric bike, with its powerful motor, impressive battery life, thoughtful design, and comfortable riding experience, stands out in the crowded e-bike market. It is versatile enough to meet the needs of various riders.